6K RC Quadcopter, take flight with this feature-packed drone. This 6K RC Quadcopter is a thrilling and user-friendly drone designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. Packed with a variety of features, this drone offers an exciting flying experience with impressive capabilities. Key features: high-resolution camera, capture stunning aerial photos and videos with the 6K high-resolution camera. 360 degrees protection, the fully enclosed protective design safeguards the drone from minor impacts, making it more durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor flights. Intelligent flight modes. Altitude hold mode, maintain stable flight at a consistent altitude for effortless aerial photography. Headless mode, simplify flight operations by eliminating the need to adjust the aircraft's position before takeoff. One key return, easily guide the drone back to its home position with a single button press. Waypoint flight, draw a flight path on your smartphone screen and the drone will autonomously follow the designated route. FPV flight, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi and experience real-time video transmission on your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to see the world from the drone's perspective. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures stable and reliable control, even in areas with potential interference. 6-axis gyroscope provides smooth and stable flight, making it easier to control and maneuver the drone. LED lights enhance the visual appeal of the drone, especially during night flights. Package includes RC drone, the heart of the package, ready for flight. Remote control provides intuitive and responsive control over the drone's movements. USB cable for convenient charging of the drone's battery. Battery includes 1, 2, or 3 batteries depending on the chosen package, providing extended flight time. Other parts includes necessary components for assembly and operation. This 6K RC Quadcopter offers a fantastic entry point into the world of drone flying. Its combination of features, including a high-resolution camera, intelligent flight modes, 360 degrees protection, and user-friendly controls, makes it a thrilling and rewarding experience for both beginners and more experienced pilots.